Time. It's a thing, a constant ticking thing. It marches on, doesn't it? Relentlessly, like a tiny, annoying drummer, marching towards your doom, or perhaps just lunchtime. It never stops. Not for you, not for me, not even for a well-sculpted claymation villain. It just keeps going, and going, and going. Why should you care? A good question. You probably have other things to worry about, like your dwindling supply of blue plasticine, or the existential dread of an empty biscuit tin. But time, if you don't grab it, it will manage you. It will make a mess of things. A terrible, sticky, unmanageable mess. It dictates your life. Unless you bravely attempt to dictate it. Imagine chaos. No, really, try. Your schedule, a tangled ball of yarn. The cat has been at it. Again. Deadlines? They whiz past your head, like poorly aimed paper aeroplanes. Stress? Oh, it becomes your closest companion. Imagine a world with less stress. It's difficult, I grant you, especially with the constant barrage of news and the ever-present threat of running out of milk. But good time management can indeed help. It can lower the internal volume of screaming to a dull, manageable roar, perhaps, or even a contented, gentle purr. You'll feel calmer, more in control, less like a startled badger, more done. Productivity. It's a word people use, often in PowerPoint presentations, usually to make you feel slightly inadequate. But with good time habits, you might actually achieve this mythical state. More tasks completed, more boxes ticked, more tiny clay figures meticulously animated. It's a shocking outcome, I know. Doing things. What a novel concept. We should all consider trying it, sometime. And what happens when you get more done? You get free time. Actual, genuine free time. Not the I should be doing something else important kind of free time, but real, guilt-free, do-nothing leisure. Lists. Such a simple idea. So simple, it's almost insulting, really. Write things down, on a piece of paper, or on your fancy, expensive electronic tablet. It doesn't particularly matter where. The act of writing creates a semblance of order from the swirling chaos of your mind, like a very, very minor organizational deity. Your tasks lined up, ready to be systematically ignored, or ideally conquered. Now, not all tasks are created equal. This is a vital point. Some shout louder for your attention. Some are genuinely more important than others. Like extinguish the small, unexpected fire in the waste paper bin. That's probably a priority. Learning to identify these crucial items is key. What needs doing now? What can wait until tomorrow? What can be subtly delegated to an unsuspecting family member? These are the vital questions for survival. Calendars, those grids of squares. Sometimes they bring joy. Sometimes only dread. Depending on your upcoming appointments, use them. Block out time for important work, for essential play, for meticulously planning your next witty retort. The internet, a marvelous, bewildering invention, full of cats doing amusing things and useful information, and endless, bottomless pits of distraction. 1 minute you're researching the Franco-Prussian War. The next you're watching a compilation of dogs failing to catch treats. For 3 straight hours. It happens. It devours time. And your precious willpower. Be vigilant. Be strong. The cats can wait. Ah, procrastination, my old familiar friend. The gentle art of delaying the inevitable by doing something entirely different, and usually much more pleasant, or at least less taxing. Like alphabetizing your collection of rubber bands, or pondering the mysteries of why toast always lands butter side down. It's a comfortable, welcoming trap, but a trap nonetheless. Recognize its siren call, fight it, or, deal with it later. Tomorrow, perhaps. Consider Barry. Barry from marketing, a cautionary tale.